back to my channel. Today I'm at Cisauk Station and I'm going to Anyer Beach, and to be exact to the old lighthouse that was devastated by the tsunami that happened because of the eruption of Krakatoa mountain back in 1883. So you want to know how it looks like now? Let's follow my journey and don't skip the video. Let's go. Leaving Cisauk Station at 8:31. This is Parung Panjang Station. If you come here from Jakarta, then you will need to take the train from Tanah Abang Station. But be careful because not all of the trains coming this way are going to Rangkas Bitung Station. Some of them only stops here, and some of them even only stop at Serpong Station. So make sure that you take the one that goes all the way to Rangkas Bitung so that you can continue with the local train.
Terima kasih atas kepercayaan orang menggunakan jasa angkutan KAI Kamat dan selamat jalan, selamat sampai tujuan. Setelah ini kereta tidak untuk penumpang, setelah ini kereta tidak untuk penumpang, mohon bantuan kepada
We have arrived at Rangkas Bitung Station. To go to the local train, there's this transit.
Pak, saya mau ngambil 3. Bapak mau kemana? Cisauk. Iya, di situ aja Pak, tempel Pak. Depan.
Okay, I think this is the queue for the local train. Wow. There are a lot of people.
Mau kemana?
Enggak, ini mah. Okay, we need to queue here, I guess. There is also a ticket counter here, but I'm not sure if you can buy it here. I think it's only for the elderly, but I'm not sure. And here is the timetable for the local train. I have already bought the ticket from the Access by KAI application, so I can just get in. It's stopping and it's 15 more minutes before the departure, but I guess I can actually make it. Okay, here we go. Okay, we need to cross the platform by going through the KRL. It's a bit dangerous. Get to the back, and surprise, surprise, I don't get any seat here, so I'm going to stand up all the way to Kerancang Station. I'm gonna get to the car at the back. Trying to find the one that is not too crowded so I can just get in. Oh wow, what's this? Oh, okay. Nggak boleh kayaknya di situ.
Selamat siang tuan-tuan yang kami hormati, selamat datang di kereta api komuter lain atas dengan nomor KA 310. Berangkat tepat stasiun Telkom 0955. Kami informasikan kepada
the last time I can see you in a while. Is it the truth that you'll be leaving tonight? We should take a walk, then a swim in the sea. That will mean everything, yeah, everything to me. Can we get out of this one? Waiting and missing. I never thought you would leave me here. We can get out of this one. A tunnel of feelings, just like we got through everything else. But I see you, honey. This is in no way funny. We will find our way back together. But right now, there's stormy weather. I see a tear begins to fall from your eyes. It is the truth that you'll be leaving tonight. waiting here when you come home.
Yeah, finally we have arrived at Kranjang Station, and this is our train. I stood up for 1.5 hours, but finally we have arrived here. Any toilet here? Oh, that's toilet. The train will continue its journey up to Merak Station, and Merak is also its last station and also the westernmost station in Java. So this is where we are, Kranjang Station. One station away from the westernmost station in Java. It's 11:32 now, 30 degrees according to my watch. I'm not sure if that's the correct temperature, but it feels hotter than 30 degrees. And yeah, we're not that far from the coast, so that's why it's hot. Okay, so we have already finished eating our snack, and we're going to continue our journey by taking what we called as angkot. But let me show you the front of the station. Okay, I'm going to walk to the front there, over there, to get a better access to the angkot. I will let you know about the angkot later on. So from here, I'm just going to walk over there. So angkot means angkutan kota. Well, it stands for angkutan kota, and it's basically a car that is used for public transportation. But it's kind of official, so it's not like it's a private car, but it is really a public transportation, and it's very common here in Indonesia, in cities, big cities, to have angkot. Even though in Jakarta now there are less angkot due to the Transjakarta. So from here I'm going to take a silver angkot. Actually there was one in front of the station just now, but it's going to stop for a long time waiting for passengers, waiting for for the car to be full enough. So that's why I'm walking here to wait for the ones that are already full, and I know that it's going to Anyar. Balik ini aja kali, kan kayaknya nggak terlalu ngetok. wait over here.
Can we get out of this one? Waiting and missing. I never thought you would leave me here. We can get out of this one. A tunnel of feelings, just like we got through everything else. But I see you, honey. This isn't no way funny. We will find our way back together. But right now, there's stormy weather.
Bang, ini angkotnya nyampe malam nggak sih?
Jam berapa pulangnya?
Oh, sampai jam 7 gitu masih ada yang lewat gitu nggak?
Ada, tapi
Masih
ada
ada.
jarang.
Oh, agak jarang.
Salaman punya.
Oh, iya.
Pagi jam 6 itu masih agak banyak. Pak. Kalau jam 7 agak susah.
Oh, iya.
Susah.
Lama ya nunggunya ya.
Pantai mana ini?
Ke mercusuarnya itu bang.
Tujuan
Iya. Ini hanya ke Wonderland.
tempat yang baru.
Iya, ini yang baru ya.
Iya.
Rame. Hari Sabtu.
Bagus tuh pemandangan di dalamnya.
Iya. Ntar sambil lihat-lihat ke situ dulu aja. Mercusuar dulu. Ini ya masuknya ya. Makasih ya bang. $30 ya? Oke sip, mantap. Abangnya jujur. Finally we have already arrived at the lighthouse. That is the lighthouse. And we are going to go there after we eat lunch and have some coffee over there. So let's go get some coffee. Okay, we're going to the cafe. It's okay. Right now it's 12:29. We left Cisauk station at 8, around 8:30. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's 4 hours. Well, we ate snack first at the station, Krenceng station. Finally, it was so it was a rough ride. but we got here faster than we thought from the Krenceng station due to the full speed angkot. And here is the cafe that we wanted to visit. Hopefully there's AC inside because it's pretty hot outside. So let's go. Too bad it opens at 4. Yeah, I think this cafe is only for those who are waiting for sunset, I guess. So yeah, since we are hungry, the only other choice is this restaurant. Seafood restaurant. Okay, let's eat some seafood here at Rumah Makan Muaru. Okay, we have already ordered our lunch. So we have tumis kangkung, kangkung stir fried. I don't know what kangkung is in English. I'm going to look for it later. And then this is tempe mendoan. And this is squid. This is squid with oyster sauce. So we're going to dig in and enjoy our lunch. So the squid has a little bit of sourness in it. It's still nice. And the mendoan is good as well. Okay, the kangkong is not too salty and it is still crunchy, which I really like because in some places the kangkong is already too soft, so that it doesn't taste fresh anymore. But this one is crunchy, so I like it. I think I'm gonna need more of the oyster sauce. I don't know, maybe because I'm so hungry. Everything tastes nice, but it is really nice though. Well, I'm going to finish eating all of my lunch here, and then I'll see you again at the lighthouse later on. Okay, see ya. It rained a little bit, but suddenly stopped. So it's good. But the overall weather is a little bit cloudy now. Hopefully it's not going to rain too heavily. Yeah, light rain is still okay. I mean, yeah, what can I do? It's raining again now. But it's only a light rain, so I'm just using my umbrella. And let's go to the lighthouse. Wait, is that sana ada nggak? Yuk, yuk. Berapa, Pak? 5.000 ya. Ada kok, ada ini di kantong. Yeah. So at the gate you need to pay 5,000 rupiah per person, and then you can just get in. Well, 5,000 rupiah is okay. It's cheap. And in here there are a lot of place selling food and drink as well. And then we can go to the beach from here. Okay, let's go to the lighthouse first. Wow, it's been a while since I've seen this vast amount of water in front of me. This isn't exactly a beach where you play just like in Bali, but for some reason it feels calm. Ini bisa nggak sih lewat sini? Is this safe enough? Okay. Wow. This is scary somehow. Okay, finally I'm here. I have arrived in front of the lighthouse. lighthouse. And that is the lighthouse. Can you see it? And in front of me now, this is a monument of the Krakatoa eruption, and this is the foundation of the original lighthouse that was destroyed by the tsunami back then. Yeah, so it's only this. Wow. Well, at least it is believed that this is the foundation. And after the Krakatoa eruption, they built a new lighthouse over there. So that is still, you know, like the original lighthouse that was built back then, but it was a new one after the tsunami. There you have the 0 point, or the titik nol. Yeah, we'll be able to see the writing from over there. So we're going there later on. Let's take a look at the description first. This is in Indonesian. As for in English, you can read it here. Wow, was that a lightning? Okay, so here's the history of the lighthouse. It was built in 1885. Yeah, the new one was built in 1885. After it, the original one was destroyed in 1883 by the tsunami. And from this 0 point, these are the distance that you can see if you want to go to other cities or places in Indonesia, even to Merauke in Papua. Now let's get closer to the lighthouse. This place is really nice, so quiet. I thought there were going to be a lot of people here, but maybe they went here in the morning. Here you go. I cannot read it because it's in Dutch. Let me show you. If you understand Dutch, maybe, yeah, you can tell me in the comments what the writings or the description mean. Thank you, guys. $60-meter tall. Over there is the monument of the foundation, remaining foundation of the old lighthouse, but the location of the old lighthouse is actually believed to be here. Okay, There is only Indonesian description here, but basically it says that this monument is the previous location of the original lighthouse, and also as the 0 point of the building development of the road from Anyer to Panarukan in East Java. And the original lighthouse was built in 1806, and then the road was started to be built in 1825. Meanwhile, the Krakatoa eruption was in 1883, and the old lighthouse was destroyed. And then in 1885, during the reign of King Willem III, the new lighthouse was built again. So that's why this new lighthouse, is also called the Willem III, because it was built during the reign of King Willem III. Oh, King Willem or William. The Anglification is William. Okay, the wind is so strong, and it's really cloudy here. I'm starting to worry. Okay, let's go closer to the sea. Let's see if I can get a good thumbnail. Wow, umi dah. Here, so I can just walk up until this point.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no sleep. Hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Alright guys, right now is 16:13 and I'm at a cafe in front of the lighthouse. Finally, we can get a good place to sit down and enjoy iced coffee. So I have already ordered the iced latte and we're going to enjoy it here while waiting for the sunset. Okay, my iced coffee is here. Please don't mind the writing here. Actually, the cafe's name is Bara Cafe, but for some reason, the writing on the cup here is Mommy and Toys. I'm not sure why. But anyway, let's try the iced coffee. This one is iced latte, no sugar, because I don't want any more sugar today. Let's try. The coffee is not too strong, but it's rather creamy. I'm not sure if you can call a coffee creamy, but it is creamy, so it matches with the milk well, and it doesn't taste bitter because it's more to the creamy side. So I think this is a pretty good coffee. Okay guys, there's a change of plan because the road right now it's a little bit jammed, not a little bit, it's jammed pretty badly, so we decided to not to wait for the sunset and just go home now, because we still need to go through 18 kilometers to the train station. Our train leaves at 19:15, so we need to catch the train and we don't want to miss the train because there are not many train journeys in a day. So yeah, I think we are going to start moving right now to the train station and then continue our journey home. So that will be it for our journey today. Thank you very much for following my journey. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so that you won't miss any of my video in the future. I will see you in the next trip. Bye bye.